here we have over 50 whistlers from all over the world offering their version of the Indian patriotic song Mile Sur Mera Tumhara.
Greetings from Mumbai, India. I am Rigveda Deshpande, founder of Indian Whistlers Association, which has been promoting musical whistling as a performing art since 2004. It gives me great pride as a director producer to present the 6 minutes recreation of an iconic Indian song titled Mile Sur Mera Tumhara that was first released in 1988. It depicts unity in diversity and comprises of lyrics in 14 Indian languages. This musical piece connotes that we are from diverse backgrounds. We unite musically through a universal sur or note and persevere to find a common ground. So here's presenting Mile Sur Mera Tumhara. By 2050, it has been predicted that coastal cities in India, especially Mumbai, are at a high risk of amplified climate change. Rising sea levels, severe coastal flooding, and erosion due to frequent cyclones and unseasonal heavy rains indicate that climate change is not some event of the distant future. It is in the present, it is here happening right now. Unless serious mitigation efforts are taken, the sea will reclaim much of the land that the city has been built upon. Mumbai is not only the financial capital of India, but is also home to some 20 million people and has a vast history, a diverse culture, and is home to one of the world's largest film industries. Therefore, it is imperative that we work to save the city from the calamities of the future. Mumbai is a member of the C40 Cities, a global network committed to tackling climate change. The Mumbai Climate Action Plan (MCAP) has also been recently launched to craft measures to counter the effects of climate change in the city. A sustainable future can only materialize through investing in green recovery and committing to a greater climate ambition. India supports and is on track with this call. Hence, we, Indian Visitors Association, are whistling to save the city and to save the planet. Thank you.
That was the Indian Whistlers Association with their fabulous video of over 50 whistlers from all over the world performing the Indian patriotic song Mile Sur Mera Tumhara. Now we'll shift to Australia, where musician Jonathan Diamond, a bassist and composer, spent the pandemic year practicing and learning the Goldberg Variations by Johann Sebastian Bach on electric bass. Here he offers one of the Goldberg Variations